Today we're going to learn how to make my Brooklyn omelet. You know, there's an interesting story about this omelet. When I was about 10 years old, I'd come home from school and both my parents worked, so as far as food was concerned, I was pretty much on my own. But I always watched my father cook, so I was never afraid of the stove. Now, I wasn't about to defrost meat and make a serious dinner. No way. I mean, I was 10 years old. So I grabbed things that I understood, like eggs and cheese and lunch meat, stuff like that. But after a little bit, couple of years, Matt's Brooklyn Omelet was born. So now I'm going to show you how to make a meal that's great any time of the day. It's awesome for breakfast and it's hearty enough for dinner. So get your shopping list ready and let's find out what we need to make Matt's Brooklyn Omelet. We need 4 large eggs, quarter stick of butter, 1 green onion, 1 tomato, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 white onion, 3 slices of American cheese, some rare roast beef, some oven roasted turkey, and some ham. And also there's a secret ingredient, and we're going to find out what that secret ingredient is in a later clip.